Enunti aba ya to the Ghana ni na no. Ye wia di lose no otena fie na de we win ko. And na de papa ba ko lose ya. Osi ono de we lose, yes, we lose. Na bom se obema Ghana enya ne ntoma pafura. So obema president na waba no ode no kura ne abotre ne chebe. I'm like say ne ka no. Seriousness ebebu man no. Ya man sa breathing room no. Ya ma president Akufo-Addo ne Bawumia the breathing room for them to operate there be. No the parliamentarians say wo ya che omo attitude tuma so ma no say wo ko na say say ya di bibi ba na wo analyze ade no na say ade no Edgar na be ko kan ya vote against it. So wo kotena parliament ho na ye ready budget na say budget ne mu ode emu ohwama reject it with every ounce of blood in you. Se wo ni say NPP ni bi ye bibi na ye good a koteta ho kodunso ho konene ho kototo momone wo ho na nsei se wote se Akufo-Addo ye bona baso wa manoni ni na mo make sure say sa week no communicators mo da mundi Akufo-Addo attempt left right center mo challenge say even kura award na broni o ene de amane no enye papa se mo kasa ye jimifo na ye from party members no omo dia ne say yakase we free neck we free fake omo be di akire NDC communicators yate say yes ya bo Akufo-Addo abaso and na dia abrofo no pese omugu ye nimu ase ade ya ne ye de dada ye nkrofo nkakra ne say Akufo-Addo abon Bawumia abon they are not working good they are not Ghana is in danger Ghana is spoiled Ghana is destroyed Akufo-Addo atete Ghana is in ase and the bibia nkoso and the ka nko otomade ayento and ye nya ne ye police fo abeka ye ni na hye dem yes mo obi ampie upia ye bobo utio Akufo-Addo the state of emergency aba Ghana and we NDC ni a wu ni asumdio we NDC no pie ya ne acho ne abo utio pay we NPP ni dia ne ya ma wakokọ baako yes we ne amunamunu mu ha ne ye hu se e wa ban ne wo so and na de yes sa and ekoso Ghana. And that year, your party be almost say everything about Ghana is destroyed. And unti Broni asabi or no onshare sami jemfi propaganda no the ayena there because onim say nkurase for no. Uti Broni a onshare sami jemfi otukono esiedun ketia and the likes kidnapper ampofunom in order to base their decisions no. They themselves know say to rate a country, no, there are indicators we use to raise a country. Andra, Obi made some AEB on social media and I didn't understand. Obi was trying to say, the GDP and the macro indicators can be good, but it wouldn't reflect in your pocket. Obi, with all due respect, you are Bonnie, yeah, fool. Infanteful, yeah, fool, papa. And these people know, especially NDC know, say, fancy people, we are cheap. NDC for they know, say, fancy people, we are cheap. And today, we are going to find a vice president. And so development there, a bit mafanti memu. Kogomwa area, hona koshe, komuku ekum fantifo. Baby, I'm a mamifi. Kogomwa nakoshe omwa kwantete atete. Kogomwa nakoshe the hardship in Gomwa. But then my young friend election with all the hardship Gomwa people are going into, they will vote for NDC. Mu perceive defense, Akufo-Addo nkwa 6 and on the central region in Western 4. Akufo-Addo 5 years, you know, a muses no the abremo. And also a true. I buy now mato abamano where you vice president every region a year, you know. Oba or here when NDC is in power, Cape Coast becomes the poorest or the second poorest region, or the central region becomes the poorest or the second poorest region in Ghana. When NDC is in power, when they have a vice who is a fancy. The Munko na mume Jimmy Fantafono, they be here, make it to man to Momu. yɛde mɔle na ɛkɔ akɔ saa yɛde banku na ɛkɔ akɔ yɛnkɔ yɛngyimi saa ai na yɛmbɔ ten ne yɛmfa wɔkye mbɔ yɛnsa sɛ okala na yɛmfa nyina hɔ na yɛma NDC fo awia yɛn da bia awia yɛ adwene da bia no mo underdevelop yɛn da bia Rollins wankɔfa aka no edeni aka region bɛn no fi ekosi sɛn yankɔfa Tamils yɛfa Tamils wie ekura nyame yɛ na do ma ne bɛyɛ president kura no ɛdeɛ na Ghana fanfan me say at Tamils time edu bedu pie no bisa say ntimu na moto NDC os me dia me nya dia me dia bi obe dia me no man to ama NDC yɛfra yɛafra Tamils President Amelia Aifro Keinka or Shedem Keinka. Look at the state of Professor Mills. Look at the things surrounding Professor Mills' death. As somebody who helped us redefine our tax code. For those of you who don't know, you never hear the NDC people go on any platform to big up Atamils. Say your tax system VAT now Atamils is a key proponent of it. Nobody says that about Atamils. University of Ghana Medical Center. Ah, no akura kwa this ka kwa je ho drawing aba na me ye bo a ye se mahama ni si ye. No we fantini. Kwe. Ene ni sa ti ye me ma be. Kwe ya bibi nyuma ya to ya ba ye tizi ya men online ya pon. Obrumanko gidi na no na dokuno na bazo na chinam na ze ye di amen obi anko ni fi. That is what they are doing to us. But we hate the truth because the American people will even take the substance American and boy no cat tribal and that is the part they will carry. Or when Nina me be no one who say the time has come for us to depart from voting based on tribal. Yet the NDC near to tier to my NDC. Yet the MPP near to tier to my MPP. No, the time has come to depart from that. Ghana who says Hana me pest maker. Fantini and Ochame on Tias yes and LBO. The Amibla the only king or you know because you were ha no other far Kakwa and Basan wasn't a brain. You were ha no other far females wasn't a quay and Bassa was the brain. Ya ye miss Sata. Yes no quay. Ya whom or also look on Jim on the crop of the Jim local we. Instead of us starting to think, fancy confederation, instead of us starting to think, there be the better tribal politics. Boy, no, now or cassette yam fantifona or cassette before maybe I mean penny show. Penny show cause me can't cry. Penny show cause me young katasum so I tell you as it is, start thinking. One starting from margin, and yet na Ghana bre. Abaya Sabi or carbon tia near Bonabaso ye man award. Award so I am